Imagine turning plain text into a real human voice that sounds full of emotion and life. With ElevenLabs, you type words and instantly get a high-quality voiceover that feels natural and warm. You can use it in 30-plus languages for videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or even ads without recording yourself. You can also clone your own voice so your content sounds uniquely yours, saving time and effort. Need to dub a video or reach a global audience? ElevenLabs makes it easy. Choose language and go live. Creators, marketers, or solopreneurs, you get pro voices without needing expensive gear. Or voice actors. Even developers can plug in ElevenLabs API to power apps, chatbots, or voice agents in minutes. It works fast, sounds real, and adapts tone and emotion to match your message. So whether you want storytelling, ad copy, tutorials, or audio content, this tool has you covered. Ready to speak to the world with a voice that stands out? Click the link in the description and find out more.